Guys, if you want to activate Google Voice Typing, you just need to do only one step. So scroll to the settings option, and once you have find it, click on that, and you will have many options like this, and you just need to scroll down and look for any option which says system navigation, language and input method. So once you have find it, click on that, and here you will find an option called languages and input. Once you click on that, on screen keyboard Google Voice Typing, so you just need to click on that. Now from here you can see various keyboards. I can see Google Voice Typing, Google Voice Typing Legacy, Microsoft Swift keyboard, and here you just need to click on manage on screen keyboards, and from here you can turn on Google Voice Typing, and once you turn on, you can restart your mobile phone and you can start using Google Voice Typing on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or whichever the application you want to. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.